No, July 17. July 17, ano, yung nangyari kahapon, July 16. So, wala namang high impact news. Meron, pero 8:30. Pero yung news na lumabas, hindi doon nag-react yung market doon sa 8:30. Nag-react doon sa news na nilabas ni Boss Trump, no, na regarding na parang sisisantihin niya si Powell ba 'yon? Ngayon, so ayun yung naging reaction. From a very momentum candlestick, ayan, dalawa yan eh. And then biglang, andito na siya kagabi, no? Andito na siya mismo. Dito sa support ng red, biglang sumibat. Out of nowhere, ano? Biglang may lumabas palang balita. So it is really very hard to catch this kind of movement. So mas mabuti pang iwasan nyo na lang muna yan. Kasi hindi nyo alam bakit eh. Diba? For 2 days, meron tayong high, lower high. Consistent siya, di ba? High, low, lower high, lower low. Then, ito ngayon, nagpantay. Nagpantay because of what happened yesterday. And then, yung closing niya is mas mataas dito sa opening ng bearish. And even yung week, mataas. Although na mahaba rin yung week neto, pababa. So, ibig sabihin, lumalaban yung seller. Pero dito sa baba, papansinin nyo, yung week sa baba, hindi na nakagawang bumagsak. Hindi na nakapag-try yung seller dito na ibaba. Dito pa lang pinigil na. And then, ayun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng malaking candle body na green. So, ibig sabihin, buyers are also fighting. So, ito, lumaban dito, tinaas nung buyer, lumaban yung seller. Ito naman, lumaban yung buyer. Kaya nagtagpo sila rito more than the opening of this bearish candlestick. So ano nangyari ngayon? Inengulf niya yung body na to. So ganun ka-strong yung naging movement. So ibig sabihin, from this closing, nagkaroon ng breakout. Ayun, breakout. But this is a daily candlestick, so baba tayo ng lower time frame. Let's say 4 hours. So ayan siya, 4 hours. So let us say na lalagyan natin ng trend line ito para makita natin meron bang nagkaroon, no? Ayan siya. Parang ganyan. So baba pa ulit tayo ng 1 hour. So, nung bumaba tayo ng 1 hour, nagbago. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, parang ganyan. Ayan. Kaya lang, because of the week, nagkakaroon tayo ng ibang interpretation ngayon. Kasi, this is now not the lower high. This is already the high, which is higher than this lower high. Kaya nga, ako, parang iniisip ko, baka ito ang nangyari. Ayan. So, there is a breakdown from this trend line. And also, there is this is lower high. This is high. This is lower high. And then, because of this impulse movement ng bullish, nagkaroon ng break na structure itong lower high. So, looking at this candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, although na merong wick, ito kasing wick na to, parang naging kwan siya yung sa Hinyus eh. So, looking at the body of the candlestick, somehow they are a good breakout. But then again, merong kumukontra yung wick. The wick is, ini-imply niya na may mga seller pa din. And then this one is now a retracement. Yeah, retracement. So, if it took 1, 2, 3, 4 candlestick to bring the price here, so lumalabas parang this is strong. And now, the candlestick na bumababa is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 na, no? So, if it is a breakout, Daniel, this could be a retracement. A retracement of this breakout. Lagay mo na lang yung mga record dyan. Tapos yung... para mamaya dadaling ko doon sa kwan. So, para mas makita natin, we have to go down to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. Ayan. Ayan, 15 minutes. So, dito makikita rin natin that this is a breakout. Ano? This is a good breakout. Parang gano'n. Ano? Considering we are on the time frame ng 15 minutes. But, on the pullback, ano bang nakikita natin? Somehow, this is also a good pullback. Ayan, no, lumalaban pa rin yung green. Kaya nga lang, meron mang red. Ayan, meron. Pero, andun makikita nyo yung mga buntot ng green. Ayan. So, may mga rejection. And then, kung bumabalik man siya, most likely, ayan, no, ang haba, ano, the time para maibalik niya yung price magmula rito sa taas is napakahaba, napakaraming candlestick. So, matagal. And at the same time, itong impulse na to, dito nag-umpisa. So, somehow, this is considered as a demand zone. So, we have to wait for, now is almost 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, mag-o-open ng London. We have to wait for the London market. Yan. Pwedeng hintayin natin yung London market. Ano ba yung gagawin ng candlestick during London market? So, may posibilidad na talagang mag-bounce. May posibilidad. Pero we have to wait pagdating dito. What the candlestick will do. Malamang yan, magko-consolidate yan. And yung rules natin consolidation, if it is a small consolidation, later, so we need to wait doon sa mga breakout or breakdown bago tayo magdesisyon. At mamayang London, doon natin malalaman ano yung desisyon ng mga institusyon sa nangyari kahapon na balita. Kasi sa ngayon, very unstable. Ano? Yung balita na yun, sabi niya, sisisantin, baka sisisantin, parang ganon. So, hindi pa natin alam kung bigla ituloy. So, what will the market do? Paano magre-react yung market do sa balita na yun? So, waiting period muna. Ako, hanggat maaari, ayoko munang magkuhan. Hanggat hindi madating yung kuhan. Alas 3, alas 4, ayan, alas 5. So, antay lang.